Hi, Jerry Orloski from Orloski's Car Wash and Quick Lube Shop on Monday Street in Wilkes-Barre. Here with some winter driving tips and car care tips. If you don't have an emergency kit, get one. Put it in your trunk, get maybe something to drink like a bottle of water, not a can of soda. It does get below freezing. Don't ask me how I know about not putting a can of soda in your car in the wintertime. Maybe some snacks, a blanket, pair of gloves, snow brush, maybe a little bit of something to melt ice, or maybe kitty litter to maybe get you out of a sticky situation. One of the new items they're recommending is maybe a battery backup or a charger cord for your cell phone, so that if you are stuck out on a highway in a traffic jam, or you get stuck and your phone goes dead, you're really stuck. So that's a good item to have on hand as well.